How's it going, guys? Today I'm showing you guys a quick video I did on how to replace your side mirrors. I have a 135i BMW, and for some reason when you get the heated mirrors they do tend to dark out like this, where they just completely fail and they just burn. And I got these off of eBay. These basically fit any BMW like E90, E92 from around the same years. They were like 20 bucks. They're really cheap from China, but overall they're good quality. So basically, to take it off, what you want to do is sort of make some room so you can pry it with your fingers. You could use like a plastic prying tool, but I use my fingers just because either way the mirror is gonna get trashed, which I think in the video the mirror actually breaks somehow because I did pry it in like a not so safe way, but I didn't really care because, like I said, I'm getting rid of the mirror either way. So first of all, you're just gonna pry it like this and it should snap off. Don't be scared, you're not gonna break it. Just try to do it with an even amount of pressure, and then when you take it off you'll see a connection like this, depending on what type of mirrors you have. Or I believe on the 335s it might be a little different, but I have a 135 like I said, so it might be a little different. There's the old mirror, trash already. There's the other one that came out okay, but you can see that they're both burnt already and it's really hard to see through. And there's a new one, nice and blue. You can see that the outside, the rim or the outline of it's not as fat, and also it doesn't come with a connection to be a heated mirror. But I mean, I live in California, so I don't really need the heated mirror for anything, so I'm just gonna tuck this connection to the side. And it does come with like two prongs on the back of the mirror for maybe a different model, but at least for mine it doesn't really help out. So you just basically put it back together, just snap it on just with the light amount of pressure in the center, just because that's where all the tabs go. And as you can see, I'm doing it with basically one hand, so you can pretty much do it with two, but just lightly and evenly apply pressure in the middle area where the tabs are, and that should be it. You can see I already did the other side just because it's going to be basically the same exact thing, but you can see it looks a lot better now. It's nice and blue, which I'm not sure if that's how it comes out of the factory, but I mean, I don't really mind the blue because it looks okay. But yeah, even with the connection in the back, it functions normally like it would in any other BMW. I'm pretty sure the connection in the back is just for that heated feature to like melt some sort of snow or melt the cold stuff that goes on the mirror. But like I said, I live in California, so I do not need that at all. So I'm just sticking with these $20 mirrors from eBay, and so far so good. I am making this video maybe like a month or two after installing these, and so far they've been so good. They haven't faded, they haven't fallen off, and they've been like just a regular mirror. Yeah, so that's how you pretty much swap out your mirrors. Really easy, should take you no more than 15 minutes per side, and all the functions work as good as new.